To Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have FRM module, and this module is in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series. A lot of them, they use the same one. And there is FRM module 1, which is, we call it footwell module. It could be footwell module 1, 2, 3, something like that. Some of them you can clone it, some of them you can fix it. What happens is, for some reason, when the battery go down, the software inside get corrupted, and as soon as the software corrupted, you will not get communication with FRM module. So what you need to do is, you call the dealer, you buy a brand new one, $500 almost, code it $150. You talk about taking it out and put it back is another $150. The guy who do the installation, so you talk about $500, $600, $700. But you can take yours, you can send it like for us here, or see anyone who is there can do it. Mine, I am using Hexaproc, as you see here, extension of Auto Hex, which is it have a lot of function. You see in this box here. There's other company also, they do it. So you're gonna solder. This is the connector, and also there is another clip. It's just like a clip. You put it through here, and it connected to here, and it will take the information. That one is like 1, 2, 3. You don't need to solder it. But if you want to solder it, here is the solder place. This is from Hexaproc, and let me close it. After you do this, what you need to do, for example, here you go here to Hexaproc and you open it. After you open it, you wait a little bit, it come up. Here you're gonna choose if you want to update it. Okay, there is an update available. But if you don't want to update it, you go to on bench, double click, and now let me go a little bit further. Then you go to BMW. Now you see CAS, car access module, car accessory module. Now go to FRM or footwell module, click on it. You see it have like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The most common that having is this issue is this one. And now you see here, now you have the EEPROM flash, EEPROM data, and P flash. Now both of them, they have to be, you will be able to read it. So now I'm gonna go down here and I will try to read it. Click on it, and you're gonna see this error here. Error while processing REF. This is the error. So you're gonna leave this as it is, and you come back to the old one, P flash. When you go to the P flash and say, okay, let me read the P flash, you're gonna click on it. If everything is okay, you will start reading the P flash too. Okay, I cannot read even the P flash. So no P flash, no E flash. So that means they say there is no communication with it. And wiring, we're going to go to the wiring. You see on the wiring data, come here, you see here we have red and yellow. Be sure that you connect red here and yellow here. If red is not well connected and the black one is here and light blue is here, you see where it is. Now we're going to try to, okay, be sure all the connections are good. You can review your connection, and then if it doesn't work, because the customer say no communication, if it doesn't work, then we can look for the other one. Stay with us. I am going to update the platform And after that, I will look at it. If it is not taking it, that means for sure that this module is completely done. And we have to put this one. And if we have communication, we can just code it in the car and it will work. FRM control module, you can code it and it will work. I am not going to read it and look at it what happened, but I know for sure it is possible to do that. But in this one here, it look like I'm going to update the database of my tools, and if it doesn't work, that means it's gone. If there is a way of repairing it, we're going to look if anything that is like it need like wiring or anything, we can look at it, or something that got burned, we can check it if repairable. Okay, if it's not, we just have to get another one, and the other one have to be in a car, and then we're gonna code it. The update is already there. The update is working. You see, it's closed, it's open, and it update itself. Close, open, update itself. Close, open, update itself, which is not bad. Activate license 1 day for $60. 2 days is lease a tuning license. Wow. Activate the license 7 days, $200. Oh, they have tuning license activation. I gotta look for that one too. Maybe I have the tuning here. Great news for Hexbrook user who don't have tuning license. I believe I have a tuning license. I can try do them later on. After I finish here, I will look if I have a tuning, I will do it. Stay with us. Okay, I update the computer. So I'm gonna go back to bench. And then Hexbrook, you see here. Okay, did they change it? BMW, FRM, FRM2. You can see the wiring here. Same thing, I already have all the wiring connect. Yellow, red, blue, black. Okay. Now I will come back here again. Okay. And read the EF. Yes, now it looked like partition error. Maybe we have a problem. You see now the message is say error, partition error. Before it never say partition error. So now let me go back to flash. D-flash. And I want to try to read. Reading, yes. Before the system is not up to date. Giving us hard time. Always look at here. If it's purple, don't do it. Go with it ahead. Try to update the software. So the module is good. So all we need to do is please check everything. You have time, check and be patient. Those things sometimes, as you see here, this is a charger for one of my laptop. I bought it, but it's not the same one. So I'm gonna try to get the other one. You see there, it's coming. It's programming. And this is how you work with your tools, and be sure that everything is good before you work with it. The system itself is out of date. The machine cannot synchronize. Okay, you see here, everything is good, right? Now let's go tell you something. Wow. Reading again. Maybe I click, where is it? Yeah, I click reading by mistake, sorry. So be careful, don't put your hand here. Also move this away. You see, I move it again. So we're gonna wait till it read. After it read, we save it. You see this module here, you can have it on what they call on Hotel 608. They have also their own way. If you go to top down, every VVDI, any tools, they have their own way of dealing with this. So when you buy one tool, study it, spend time on it. They are good. You see now I have everything. I will save it. This is one. Okay, I will save it. Let me put something here. So I save it here. I'm going to save it. Now all you need to do is go slowly. Don't touch this wire. Go here. In the bottom here. Click the next, or go here, just say repair. Just say repair. Click on it and it say it will repair the EEPROM. You want to read it more? Here it is. So say yeah, repair it. Then be patient. Don't do it 2 times. What do you say? FRM data has been repaired. Say okay. See the VIN number come there too. Now close this one. Now to be sure, read the EEE before you cannot read the EE, right? I want to read the EE. Okay, so now what you need to do, if you cannot read the EE, close it. The repair is done already. Close this one here. Because sometimes you say different software, because disconnect this. Because you think that you are using something else. Okay. And you can disconnect it here too. Reset all the memory and then put it back. Put the electricity, because the shadow memory is still there. Okay, now I'm going to go back, EEPROM. You're going to wait, it will come up. Okay, now is there any update? Just go to bench, BMW, FRM, 3, read just the EE. It should read yes. I have the EE, EEPROM is ready. Also save it, EEPROM, Tony. I'm going to save it. That's it, and stop. Now I'm going to tear my tools. A lot of stuff, you know, sorry about that. And I just desolder it. And I love this one. Believe me, this piece here, what is gone? Oh, so you don't put it back. So where I put it? It's not here. I will look for it. When I get it, I'll let you know. That one is so good. When you put it in, it is very low heat. It will work, it will react in a very low heat level. And in a matter of seconds, you're gonna see that everything is here. I found it somewhere on Facebook. A little bit of heat, it will take it right away. Paste flux, but believe me or not, you put it in, KEK solder, paste, wow, 2 seconds. The solder melt in very low power, heat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. I'll see you in another video. This one is going to be saved. We're going to keep it. And I see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.